First rookie mistake is make sure you don't have any house lights on. What's up guys, so I'm going to show you how we set up our YouTube videos in this office. You might be wondering why we have some ugly rugs on the side. So pretty much whenever we shoot a YouTube video, we just lay these out. The tiles in this room are horrible for audio. To get good audio, I think is probably one of the most important things. If you are shooting in a tiled room and if it's small as well, it's going to sound really echoey and crap. So try shoot in a carpeted room or put some rugs down like this. Let's go get a tripod and the lights and stuff from the car. So I forgot my keys.
What do you do if you don't have a good camera setup? Is it possible to have a good looking shot without a good looking camera?
100%. I'll show you guys what the lighting, with the lighting that we're going to set up, and the positioning and like the background, what it will look like on an iPhone versus a DSLR, just so you can see the difference. I love the DSLR look because you get the shallow depth of field and it looks super pro, but the iPhone and the like smartphone look is still really good. So it shouldn't stop you from doing it, but if you're like me and you want to go the extra mile and you like nice looking shots, then definitely the DSLR is way better. I feel like lots of people are saying, oh, like don't worry about getting really good equipment and stuff like that, just because they want to eliminate all the excuses of creating and putting out content. But on the other hand, let's be real, it is amazing when you can make content look super nice and like get good gear. If you've got the money, buy the right gear, hire the right people and make the videos look amazing. But if you don't and you're hustling, then yes, iPhones look good, use what you have. I'm all about that as well. So this is like a softbox light. So the good thing about this is that it's got a really big surface area, and it's got this diffusion, right? So when you turn the light on, it makes this really soft, nice looking light and it looks super pro. So that's how you get the nice lighting effect. First rookie mistake is make sure you don't have any house lights on. Every house light is a down light, and look at the way that it looks on my face, right? Can you see like shadows? Yeah, and it's like harsh light as well. This looks super average and super ugly. So turn off this light. You're better off sitting next to a big window. I'm gonna use an extra light to make it look like it's a window light, but it'll be brighter than what it is. Find a window where you're not in direct sunlight. So I usually set that light up there so that it looks like window light because it's coming from the same direction, because it's big surface area. So we'll turn it off and show you what it looks like without and now with. So that's the difference. I'm gonna set up my tripod. Put the camera on, it'll be eye level, which is nice. This light's gonna be right there. What this does is it's a wireless microphone lapel. You should watch this video and be like, I need to put out videos right now. I can't do all this stuff right now, maybe soon. But what you can do is sit next to a window in a nice room with your phone and start filming. It's all about the value of the content, not the production quality. What you want to do is eliminate all the light that's coming from other directions. Oh, it's just like dark on this side, light on that side, so it looks nice coming across my face. Then in a small room like this, I want to sit as close to that wall as possible, so I get lots of depth between me to the back wall, also the desk back there, because then what happens is when we use this camera, it'll make the background super blurry and it makes me pop. This iMac is so old that it's almost unusable, so it's literally just for looks. So I put in the background, have a nice little pot plant for a bit of color, and then I leave these windows open because it is giving us some light, but it's also nice to just have, like, not feel like you're boxed in a room, have a window open. It's nice for the shot. What I'll do is I'll usually shoot a bunch of videos at once so I can batch shoot, save time. And I change my outfit so it doesn't look like I'm batch shooting. So people like you think I'm shooting every single week when I'm not. But now I'm just telling you my secret.
So why does it look so freaking good?
It looks so freaking good because this softbox is just so close to me. It's such a big, it's diffused. So, all right, look, let me show you the difference. So now, without the diffusion, it's a harsh light on my face. So I'll show you the difference between this and this. I'm far away from my background. I've got a light here. If it was daylight, you could use a window. I got some nice elements back there. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. This is what it looks like on my DSLR, and this is what it looks like on my iPhone. So you can tell the difference, but Kurt, tell me from there, do you think the iPhone looks really good? Like, it's all about the lighting.
Yeah, it looks
and the
pretty.
audio.
Like, it looks pretty pretty good. The only difference is like the actual camera has like more detail, I think.
Yeah, for us, we pick up on that, but think about it for your audience. They might not care and they might not even tell. So, like, yes, the ideal is to get to something like this because it looks better, it will capture people's attention better, makes you look pro, but it's no excuse to not make content for your audience when we're living in a time when we all need to put out so much
It
content.
wouldn't bother me one bit seeing how good that looks.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, this camera's a bit better, but I think like iPhone's the way to go if you don't have a camera.
Alright, let me get to shooting these YouTube videos.